We all generally hold certain beliefs. For example, you may believe that you are a disciplined trader. However, it is your performance under pressure that often reveals the hidden subconscious beliefs that drive your behavior and your reaction to the uncertainty found in trading. And those hidden beliefs determine what type of trader you actually are. Hello there, guys, and welcome back to FTMO. My name is Nelle, and I'm here to give you the tools and resources to manage your trading psychology. And I hope you all are doing well. And today, I'm going to talk about our self limiting beliefs, namely, how crucial recognizing those beliefs is and how work with them. I will also discuss the way of removing them permanently, as it will help our performance tremendously. We all have some core beliefs that guide the decisions we make. They affect how we interpret the events in our life and influence the way we think, feel, and behave. So, our beliefs influence our thoughts, which influence our feelings, and then we behave as we do and get the results we get. It is a cycle, and if you don't escape it ill enough, your beliefs become even stronger. And that's where it gets tricky. Because once you start to truly believe in something, it becomes very difficult to break such a connection. Over some time, it literally becomes your behavior pattern. If your mindset is negative, your results will be most likely negatively influenced, as your thoughts, which are coming from your beliefs, will be negative as well. This whole process will result in you feeling bad, and due to lack of confidence, you will likely stick to those self limiting beliefs that will prevent you from your personal development. And this, of course, applies also vice versa. A positive mindset will greatly help you in achieving the desired performance, as your thoughts coming from your positive beliefs will make you feel good and you will be driven by your healthy confidence. Negative self beliefs limit us and limit our performance. That's why we always want to transform them into positive ones. The first step is recognizing your negative beliefs. They may develop from the thoughts you once held when you were at the beginning of your trading path. After proving yourself a couple of times that these thoughts are correct, you will start to believe those thoughts, and then they'll become your beliefs. You may also hold those beliefs from childhood, and that can get even more complicated, as these negative beliefs may be deeply rooted in you. In general, self limiting beliefs usually develop in response to painful experiences. From these experiences, we create our own, often biased judgments about our life, which then project also onto our trading. Our judgments, formed by our experiences, can get deeply embedded in our subconsciousness and then manifest as limiting beliefs that influence much of what we think and do. But don't worry, there is always a way to reveal them. You just need to focus on defining them first. Try to uncover them and name them. Because how could you fight against your enemy if you don't know who your enemy is? Go to your past and think about those experiences. Which situations may trigger your beliefs? Because identifying your self limiting beliefs is only the first step. The second step is the enlightenment. So you must recognize them first and then think about where they are coming from. When did you have that initial thought which is behind all of this? And when you'll get to the core of it, I'm sure you'll even laugh when you'll see how ridiculous it actually was to hold such a belief, because those beliefs are not true at all. And that's why you should never let them impact your decisions, which then impact your long term goals. Recognize your negative belief, understand their origin. Step back and think about their impact on your life and trading. Nothing that you'd like to keep in your life, right? So go ahead, deconstruct them, reconstruct them, change your mindset. For example, I've been working with one trader. He had this strong belief that he is not capable of achieving his goals. Together, we have found out that this belief is not only trading related, he held it since primary school. His teacher repeated to him that he won't be able to succeed in his life, and he started to believe in that. The teacher probably only wanted to motivate him to work harder. Maybe she could even see potential in him. However, this was that momentum, that first situation when he heard it, and since then, when any challenging situation would come, his decision making processes have been influenced by that. And that is where I'd like to mention step number 3, which is positive affirmation. Positive affirmations are one of the best ways to combat those limiting beliefs. Affirmations are sentences that you repeat to yourself in order to build self belief. Use positive affirmations to turn self limiting beliefs into positive self beliefs. As thanks to positive thoughts, reconstruction of your mindset may be much easier. Remember, your mind can be your worst enemy or your best friend. It is just up to you. What seeds are you gonna plant in that garden of your mind? Make your mind a beautiful place. Believe in yourself. Clap for yourself. Because if you are not the one who's doing that, who else should do that for you? And also, how do you want to achieve your goals if you don't believe in yourself? Be patient, be positive, don't rush. Dealing with our self doubt is something you cannot escape from, and it can be very challenging and it demands a lot of time and patience. So be patient, be kind to yourself, and try to find out which self limiting beliefs you hold. And if you still struggle with that, do not hesitate to contact us, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Do you enjoy this type of content? Then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and follow FTMO on all socials. Okay, guys, that's all from me for today, and I'm looking forward to connecting with all of you again in the next video.